Okay guys, so I'm doing the landscape lighting project. Now I already mounted the transformer and I already got the wires ran. So I ran one wire through the crawl space and fed it out towards that way, and then I got another wire feeding towards this way, which is the wire I just connected up. And what I'm gonna do is it's time to connect up the fixtures themselves. So here's the fixture, as I already showed you. So we'll go ahead and connect these up, and we'll do the rest, and then after that I'll show you what they look like. So yeah, let's go ahead and connect up this one. So let's see here. I have to adjust this up so make it straight. Maybe a little bit forward. Yep, there. And so we want this lit up like this. So, I guess right here be good. Go ahead and stick that in. So we'll go ahead and put this one in like that. Then we'll go ahead and connect up the fixture. The wire. We'll look and see how that is first. It looks pretty good right about here. And then we'll do, so go ahead and we'll go ahead and connect up the fixture. Pierce it into the wire. See that pierce in? I think it might have. Yep, that's pierced in. Okay, and then we'll go on to the next fixture. So let me grab the second one. So I got that one into place. You can see that. There's that one. And then we'll go connect the other one. So let's see. Adjust my camera down there a little bit so you can see that. We'll go ahead and connect the other fixture up. We'll do this one right here. So let's stake it in and adjust it. Yep. That's good. Right there. There's stuff on there. And then do this one. How about right about here? Push that in there. Oops. Bulb's a little loose. There we go. There we go. Should be good. Go ahead and connect this one. Okay. Clicked right in. And then there is that one right there. So we went ahead and did that one. So I guess what we'll do is, I guess I'll keep running the, well, I guess we'll do a part 2, but this is part 1, by the way. So I guess what we'll do right now is we'll do a test to see if they come on. So I'll leave my camera right there, and we'll go ahead and do the test. See if both of them turn on. Oh wow, that looks good. That looks pretty good so far. Take it off the tripod. I'll show you what we got from far back. That actually looks pretty good so far. Yeah, look at that. That actually turned out nice so far. It's not bad at all. That actually looks really nice. So this is what we got so far. I got the 2 lights on this side, and our next side that we're gonna do, so we got one more side to do. So this will be part 2 over here. This side to light up, and then this one tree right over here, we'll light this one up with this one right here, which I showed you in my other video. So yeah, that will be part 2. So anyways, thanks for watching and have a great day, and stay tuned for part 2 where I get the rest of the lights up.